Hi guys, welcome back. This video is going to be a short video, and this is an addendum to my old video which talks about hosting an Alexa skill without AWS. Here I am going to discuss two things. We are going to use a new Alexa verifier in this video, and we are going to correct some of the errors that I had put in my old video. Unfortunately, I'm going to fix that. There was some issues with the response formats that we have used in the old video. I have already fixed in the code, but I would like to be more specific to tell you about this. So these are the two things which we are going to discuss in this video. Now let's before you guys view this video, make sure you view my initial video. I'll be putting the link in the description, so make sure you watch that before you watch this. So let's quickly start with this. So I'm going to do a comparison between the two verifier packages that we have used to verify Alexa request. So in the last video we have used Alexa-verifier npm package, Alexa-verifier. So in Alexa-verifier we have to do a bit of coding. So you have to do the use the body parser to parse the JSON and take the raw body and then use it to verify the request using the request verifier. uh, a little bit of code is required, and you have to use that verifier to the post request. So that's how we have used the request verifier in the earlier code. Now we if you are using Express for your web service, then we can use another middleware package called Alexa-verifier-Middleware, and the integration of this particular package is really easy. So step one would be like we would be requiring Alexa-verifier-Middleware. Then you will be creating a router called Alexa router, and you start attaching the router to your Express. Like here you will be providing the path where your Alexa API is mounted. So for me the path is mounted in the root, so I will put slash. If you have any other paths, say for example slash Alexa or slash API or something like that, so you should put that mounting path over here so that the path is being recognized correctly. So if the path is wrong, you will get an error 404. Then you should know that there is something problem with your path, nothing else. uh, so that's how you set up the router, and you tell the router to use the Alexa verifier package. That's it, and you just use Alexa router dot post and pass your post request endpoint. And here you can see that you are not passing additional parameter of the verifier. It's being taken care by the Alexa router. So like comparing the code, you have considerably reduced the functions and amount of code, and it's a bit easier to implement as it is a middleware to Express. So that was one quick thing which I had to discuss. So I felt it bit easier uh, to integrate. Like there are like few lines of code to get it integrated and to make it work. And the next thing I wanted to tell you was on the building the response, which was really important. So as you see, I have two methods here, like build response and build response with pre-prompt. So build response is something like it will just give a response, and it will not ask for anything, like if the user didn't respond in a particular amount of time. So there is no reprompt implemented. And with reprompt means there will be a reprompt, like if you don't respond within a time frame, you will be asked again to respond. Now if you look at the response, in our earlier code, we had a problem. uh, the response, whatever things that you want Alexa to respond, uh, should be put inside the response JSON block. For example, if you want to show a card, or if you want to show a or if you want to do a reprompt, you should put all these things under the response. And unfortunately, in my first set video, the card and the reprompt was outside the response block, because of which ideally it was not getting executed. The response which was sent back by Alexa was only this much, whatever is present in the response block. And now in this version I have fixed that. You can see that the entire card and the real actual response is under the response block, so that all these things are executed. And in your Alexa app, if you look at the activity uh, in the main menu, you can see the cards getting popped up. uh, Similarly for the reprompt also, like reprompt also should be inside the response block, then only it would be sent properly. And I'm really sorry for what happened, like I somehow missed that. And while looking back at the code, I figured it out, so that I have to update you guys on this. And I have already fixed the code. Like if you download the code right now, it should be already fixed. If you go to the repository, I have added both versions, like with the Alexa verifier and Alexa verifier middleware, so you can use whichever you want to use. So it has already the formats and everything fixed. So please do try it out. And yeah, so that's all I had to discuss. uh, Thank you for watching. Bye bye.